For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of sacrificing your favorite snacks and drinks just because you don't have enough space in your dorm room or tiny kitchen? But here's what surprised me. I recently purchased the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge thinking it was the perfect solution to my compact space problems, but unfortunately, it didn't quite live up to its promise. Therefore, if you're considering buying this mini fridge, watch till the end to see if it's right for you. As a college student and a fan of late-night snacking, I thought the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge would be the perfect addition to my dorm room. With its compact size and energy-efficient design, I assumed it would keep my drinks cold and my snacks fresh without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. But what I didn't realize was that this mini fridge has a number of problems that might make you think twice before buying one. First off, let's talk about the pros. The Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge is indeed compact and energy efficient, which are two major selling points for anyone living in a small space. It also has a decent storage capacity, with 2.4 cu.ft of space that's perfect for storing a few snacks, drinks, or even some leftovers. Therefore, if you're looking for a mini fridge to keep your essentials within arm's reach, this might be the right choice. However, I soon discovered that this mini fridge has some major cons. For one, it's not as quiet as I thought it would be. In fact, it can get quite loud, especially when it's running at full capacity. This might not be a problem for everyone, but if you're a light sleeper or live with someone who is, you might want to think twice before buying this mini fridge. But what really surprised me was the temperature control on the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge. While it's energy efficient and all that, I found that it can be quite finicky when it comes to keeping a consistent temperature. Therefore, if you're planning to store anything sensitive like milk or medicine, this might not be the best choice. And let's not forget about the shelves or lack thereof. While the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge does come with some adjustable shelves, they can be quite flimsy and don't provide much support for larger items. Therefore, if you're planning to store anything big like a 2-liter bottle of soda, this might not be the right choice. Now that we've talked about the pros and cons of the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge, let's talk about some alternative options. If you're in the market for a mini fridge but don't want to deal with these problems, I'd recommend checking out some other brands like Frigidaire or LG. But what if I told you that there's one more thing to consider when buying this mini fridge? Therefore, make sure to read on. It might just change your mind about the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge altogether. In my experience, customer support can be a major factor in determining whether or not you'll have a positive experience with a product. Unfortunately, I found that the customer support for the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge to be lacking. It took me several emails and phone calls just to get a replacement part for my broken fridge. Therefore, if you're someone who values good customer service, this might not be the right choice. So, is the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge worth the money? But here's the thing, I think there are definitely better options out there that offer more value for your buck. However, if you're looking for a compact and energy-efficient mini fridge to keep your essentials within arm's reach, it might be worth considering. Therefore, before making any final decisions, make sure to do your research and read reviews from other customers who have had similar experiences with this product. With that said, I hope this review has been helpful in giving you a more informed decision about the Danby DAR044A6BSLDBO Mini Fridge. For the best price, click the link in the description to check it out on Amazon, but remember, buyer beware.